Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Today I am here with a very beneficial and interesting topic, and the topic is plants that grow without sunlight and best indoor plants, as you can see in this video. So there's something special about plants in our houses. They give us comfort and make our space more pleasing. Not to mention their ability to purify the air. Mostly we place plants somewhere in our home where they can get enough bright, indirect or direct sunlight. But what to do if you want to make the dark corners of your house more alive? So luckily I compiled many plants that grow without sunlight. So let's see, like Chinese Evergreen plant, cast iron plant, Dracaena, dumb cane, English ivy, maidenhair, parlor palm, Bromeliad, ZZ plants, lucky bamboo, aglaonema, peace lily, spider plant, devil's backbone, aloe vera, prayer plant, arrowhead plant, African violet, calathea, orchids, heart-shaped philodendron, climbing fig, peacock plant, and sword fern, and many others in this video you can see. I hope this video is very beneficial for you like me. Then please appreciate me and like, share, comment and subscribe.